Hi, this is Boris, the unit coordinator of QBus 5001. Today, I demonstrate how to use Data Analysis Plus, DAP. Using DAP is very tricky, and you must follow all these steps carefully. Otherwise, you will have problem in the exams. First of all, you have your Excel file. I have a testing file here. Open this file. Go to Data and see whether you have data analysis. If it's there, disactivate. You go to File, Options, Add-ins, Excel add-ins, untick Analysis. Okay. Now, data analysis is not here. Now you close the file. I copy the DAP add-ins on the desktop. Okay, double click this add-ins. Enable macros. Now you see add-ins. You click it, you see DAP. Okay, now this is an empty Excel file. Now you open the Excel file, the testing one. Okay, now you have add-ins, DAP. Go to data, you don't have data analysis. Now go to File, Options, Add-ins, Excel add-ins. You click Analysis. Okay, now in this testing file, you have data analysis and DAP. What I'm going to demonstrate is to construct a confidence interval for the unknown population mean mu. I have a random sample of 100 values. Okay, I assume that they come from a distribution with mean mu and variance equal to sigma square or standard deviation equal to sigma. If the distribution of X is a normal distribution, then bar X follows a normal distribution. If the distribution of X is not a normal distribution, or the distribution of X is unknown, we can apply the central limit theorem, and bar X can be approximated by a normal distribution. Okay, now we would like to construct a 95% confidence interval. Okay, and this can be done using DAP. So you go to add-ins, DAP, okay, and we assume that the variance sigma square is unknown, so we use the T. Okay, now there's only one population, so we choose T estimate mean. Okay, now you need to enter the data. Data is in column 1, so you have to select data. We have label. Now, the 95% confidence interval is 100 times 1 minus alpha percent. Alpha equal to 0.05. Okay, and you click OK. The output is in a different spreadsheet. Now you copy. Usually, I prefer to copy the result and bring it back to the main spreadsheet. And I like to be everything to be tidy. I don't want to have too many decimal places, either 2 decimal places or 4. Let's say 2. 99% confidence interval can be done in the same way. Make sure that you enter the data again. $100 values. Okay, 99% corresponds to alpha equals to 0.01. You have output in a new spreadsheet. Copy and paste here. Okay. 2 columns, I don't want to see it. Delete. Double click. Okay. Bring it back to only 2 decimal places. Highlight the answer. So here, we don't know the population mean mu, okay, based on a random sample of 100 observations. In 95% confidence, the unknown population mean is between 29.09 and 31.13. With 99% of confidence, the mu is within 28.75 and 31.47. So you can see that if we increase this, the confidence, we need to increase the width of the confidence interval. This is the end of my demonstration. Thank you very much.